Welcome to Swat Valley, the Switzerland of Pakistan. Surrounded by snow-covered mountains, green meadows, and crystal-clear rivers, Swat is a place where nature speaks in silence. From the calm waters of Kalam to the breathtaking views of Malam Jabba, every corner feels like a painting come to life. It's not just a tourist spot, it's a story of peace, culture, and resilience. People here are warm, welcoming, and proud of their land. If paradise exists on Earth, it's right here, in Swat Valley, Pakistan. Thanks for watching.